Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we'll talk about an amazing herb, fennel, which not only improves our health, but is also a priceless gift from nature. Origin of fennel. Fennel is an ancient plant, originally from the Mediterranean region, and is now cultivated worldwide. It is widely grown in Pakistan, India, China, and the Middle East. Fennel's properties in nature. According to Unani and Ayurvedic medicine, fennel has a cool and dry temperament. It plays an essential role in soothing the body and improving digestion. Benefits of fennel. Fennel has incredible effects on the human body. It improves digestion and helps relieve acidity and bloating. It freshens breath and aids in oral hygiene. It helps lower blood pressure and supports heart health. It is beneficial for eye health. Drinking fennel water can even enhance eyesight. For weight loss, fennel water boosts metabolism. Side effects of fennel. Excessive consumption of fennel may lead to certain issues. It can cause an unnecessary drop in blood sugar levels. Some people may experience allergic reactions or skin issues. It may cause hormonal changes, especially in pregnant women. Ways to avoid side effects. Consume fennel in moderation, no more than 1-2 teaspoons daily. Soak fennel in water to reduce its intensity before use. Consult a specialist in case of specific health conditions. This was a detailed discussion on the benefits of fennel. If you found this information helpful, share it with others, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Take care of your health and benefit from these precious gifts of nature. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.